Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Overwatch game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop or several other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So after going to Steam, search for the game and here you will find you have to go below and you will get all the requirements that is required to play the game hassle-free on your system. So both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Or you can simply go through the link. After that, here you have to select your drivers. You can manually download it. So you have to fill all these, and after that click on find option, and after that you have to search for your over here and then view it, and after that download the latest drivers, and once you download it, install it, and after that try to log into the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game if it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add your game to the list, here you have to select your game. So after selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once you click on it, you have to wait for some time as it may take some time. And once the game files are verified, after that, launch the game and check if it is working now. If your game is on battle.net, then you have to launch it. And after that, select the game, select gear icon. After that, select scan and repair and then click on begin scan to go ahead. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Simply double click on it and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If it doesn't work, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. And after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 and hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues again and again, then come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the picture over here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next method is to update system BIOS. For that, you have to first check your motherboard model. After that, visit set support page and then download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally, restart your system and test the game. If it doesn't work, move to the next method. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. So whatever option you get, click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to perform a clean boot. For that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press enter. It will open system configuration page. You have to click on services tab. Click on hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab. Click on open task manager. And from here also you have to do the same thing. You have to select the application and click on disable. After that, go back, click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the game and you have to add it. Now once your game is added, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After doing this, launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you're suggested to reinstall Overwatch game. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, you have to launch Steam and again reinstall Overwatch game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Overwatch game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.